from the airport to the Deuce. Welcome everyone on this Vegas Nola Man, how to ride the city bus from the airport to the Deuce. It's a 6-minute ride that departs every 15 minutes 24/7. From there, ride the Deuce to the Las Vegas sign, the Las Vegas Strip, and Fremont Street. Kick it! Here is a fast and easy way to get from the airport to the Deuce. The Deuce will take you to the rent-a-car center, the Las Vegas sign. From there it continues up the strip to Fremont Street. To get to the Deuce from the airport, take the city bus number 109 Maryland Parkway southbound. The 109 southbound departs every 15 minutes 24/7, and the ride time is only 6 minutes. Walking now to the public transportation area from the TSA checkpoint at Terminal 1. Follow the signs to the baggage claim area and ground transportation. Terminal 1 has a Starbucks, Wendy's, and my favorite, Jimmy John's. And slot machines with terrible payback percentages. Take the escalator down to baggage claim. Continue going forward across the baggage claim area until you get to the second escalator down. Take the second escalator down to level 0 and ground transportation. Exit the building and take a right at the sign to the public transportation area. Continue forward to take the shuttle to Terminal 3. Walk down to the public transportation area to catch the 109 Maryland Parkway southbound. This bus comes very frequently, and it's best to download the RTC app and have your bus pass ready. More on that later. Here comes the bus right now. Let's get on and go to the Deuce. I've only been in Las Vegas for 5 minutes now, and I've already hit the ground running, making good time and saving money on Uber fares. For the best results, download and fund the RTC app. It's convenient and easy to use. Get the all-access strip pass for the Deuce, and it also covers your fares for the RTC city buses. At the time of this recording, the fare is $6 for a 2-hour pass, $8 for a 24-hour pass, and $20 for a 3-day pass. Depart the 109 southbound at the South Strip Transit Terminal to board the Deuce. At the South Strip Terminal, you depart the 109 at Bay 1. Proceed across the terminal from Bay 1 to Bay 14 to ride the Deuce. Located inside the terminal, you will find the Greyhound Station, restrooms, vending machines, security guards, and people from all walks of life. The Deuce departs from Bay 14 every 15 minutes, and there is one arriving right now. From here, the Deuce goes to the rent-a-car center, the Las Vegas sign, all points on the Strip, and Fremont Street. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.